and I felt like the front end like lift, and I was just like, oh, not today.
Not today. Not today.
Not today.
Not today.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Electro YouTube channel. Today we're at Holley High Voltage. Electro busy running Electro Company, so it's just us here today. I got Nolan, he's off looking at electric DeLoreans and Porsches and stuff. I'm here manning the booth. We have our EMX14. We have a couple over there sitting on the bench. We're gonna go race some King of the Hammers courses with Grindhard Plumbing Company in a little bit. But for right now, we're just checking out all these awesome EVs, so let's go. Okay, DeLorean with the hoverboard in the back. You got the hoverboard in the back.
Is it real?
It looks authentic for sure. The AC DMC, this is awesome, dude.
Oh, that's actually sick.
Their flux capacitor is in the wrong place. Did they have the real one in the front? 300 kilowatt drivetrain, that's no joke, dude. So if the math on this is correct, this is like 300-400 horsepower or something like that. What a beast. No better car to do a conversion on if you ask me. These are the sickest wheels I've ever seen in my life. So we checked this one out earlier. This one, I guess, is salvage to savage. We couldn't do a better name because this is the most savage build I have seen here. From what I understand, there's actually 2 Tesla drive units, one in the back. What's really interesting about this car is not just the Tesla drive unit in the back, but what they did in the front. You can see that they've split the drive unit into 2 pieces and relocated the inverter and put it on top. I've never seen that done before. Now, I'm a dirt bike guy, so maybe it's been done, but I thought this was really cool. In order to fit this into this chassis, they relocated the inverter, and now you got all-wheel drive truck. This is probably one of the lightest vehicles here, I would think. That's this large. This thing's got to move.
Please.
So, I'm sure you guys have all seen the new Mach-E. I feel like it's not a Mustang, but it technically is. They could have named it anything. They could have named it a Stallion or anything like that, and it would have been cooler. Because there's nothing wrong with the car the way that it is. It's just not a Mustang. That's just my opinion. This is for real. This way, think about this.
Yeah.
You're sitting here. I'm trying to imagine this. So you're going 350, looking through that?
Yeah, bro.
That's
see the whole world, bro.
That's a trip, dude. You're on the floor.
And you go one direction.
Like this.
Right, bro.
Bigger balls than me, buddy.
That is naughty. That was amazing. That was cool. I'm sold. So you guys were interested in leaving one. Do you have to get it back? Because we can get the footage tomorrow.
So fun.
It's fun.
Glad you guys like it, man.
Let me tell you something. So on the first map, I thought I was in the second map.
Yep.
Because dude, that shit. I'm gonna do it one more time. Went back, and I felt like the front end like lift, and I was just like, oh, not today. Not today. Not today. Not today. Not today.
I was like, yeah, whatever.
Dude, I need the specs for that motor.
You're gonna have to
That
try
was-
it.
Yeah,
It's cold.
yeah.
That was
With the fingers.
amazing.
All right, it's getting late. The sun's already gone down. That's all we got for today at Holley High Voltage. Super fun time. We met Rich Rebuilds. We're here with the Grindhard Plumbing Company guys. Had a ton of fun letting them try out the bikes. So many cool builds and projects, and it's just really good to come out, see the community, and see how this sport is growing. And I can't wait until next year.